To some football action now. Leaders Montego Bay United, who were beaten 3-1 by Chapelton Maroons on Sunday, were again put to the test, but this time by Molynes United. But they managed to come out away with a 1-1 draw in the Ray Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Constant Springfield on Wednesday. Now, Montego Bay United, they fell behind in the 63rd minute when Nicholas Nelson gave Molynes United the lead. They were looking winner until a minute into stoppage time when Malachi Sterling scored his 4th goal of the season to salvage a point for the former champions. MBU are now on 57 points, 5 more than second place Racing United. Molynes United are 13th with 24 points.
I thought we did enough to have gotten 3 points. We conceded again, towards the back end of the game. We should have dealt with the ball a little bit better. I thought enough pressure wasn't on it, and defensively we should have done better.
Very disappointing. We just failed to convert. We know service is not the best. We know some tough period for everybody. They are fighting to stay in the league. So we know it was going to be tough. But we got some good opportunities, and we have to make those scores.
Now, elsewhere on the day, Racing United scored 2 minutes into stoppage time to earn a 2-2 draw with Harborview, who are on 27 points. And the Chapelton Maroons handed Tivoli Gardens their 14th defeat of the season as they suffered a 1-0 loss at home. Substitute Levon Williams scoring the winner in the 80th minute as Chapelton were now on 41 points in 7th spot, while Tivoli slipped to 10th on 32 points. Another 4 matches are scheduled for Thursday. Mount Pleasant FA will host Spanish Town Police at 7 p.m. Portmore United will welcome Waterhouse at the Ferdinand Park in St. Catherine at 3:30 p.m. Title holders Cavalier will be looking for a boost when they take on Dunby Holden at Sabina Park at 4 p.m. and Treasure Beach host Arnett Gardens at Stets starting at 3:30 p.m.